Hi guys, hope your exam went well. So, I'll be discussing the question and answer for paper 1. This is set A. Okay, today we'll be just seeing the correct answer. The detailed explanation will be given in the subsequent days after the questions are divided into their respective subjects. Today we'll just see the answers for the 100 questions. Okay, this is paper 1. So I'll be a bit quick because I know you just want to see the right answer so you can know how many you have got it right and how many are wrong. Let us just begin. So the first question in set A, this is a match the following question. It's economic question. Stamp duties. They've asked different types of taxes that are levied and collected by union or state or what it is. So the answer for this is option A, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we have second question. Which state and union territory released a booklet for students on Ambedkar's teaching? It is Delhi. Correct answer. Kame terraces or Kame terraces are formed by the deposits of Valley Glacier. The right answer is option 4, Valley Glacier. Which of the following statement is true with reference to Nayanmas? A. They were Sangam poets. B. They were Shaiva saints. C. They composed devotional poetry. D. Also known as Puratanas. They were 64 in number. So A is not right for sure. So if I remove A, I'll be left out with 3 and 4. So there is some confusion whether it is 63 or 64 in number. Okay. So the answer can be either 3 or 4. Okay. As of now, it is 3 or 4. Who among the following was recently appointed as the Director of National Science Foundation of America? The right answer is Sethuraman Panchanathan. Option 3. Sixth question. It's on corporation tax. So again a economic based question. The right answer for this is only C is true. Okay. Sixth question, second option. Seventh question, name of the recently launched first satellite of Ethiopia is ETRSS-1. The right answer is ETRSS-1. That is option 1. The layer of freezing or frozen water on top of a river, ice or land is termed as? Answer is option 1, nalids. So through elimination technique, you could have come to the answer. Might have not come across nalids, but we know what a snow line, snow cap and cirque is. It's in GC Lyon, if you want to refer to. So if with elimination, you would have come to nalid. Ninth question, in the history of Indian coinage, punchmark coins have a special place. Which of the following statements are true with reference to punchmark coin? So the right answer again here is all of the above, that is A, B, C and D. Option 3. Okay. Which country recently declared emergency in the Galapagos Island? Answer is option 4, Ecuador. There was an fuel spill in this region. This is the reason of emergency. Next, 11th question about the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder. So this is easy. Mercy petition comes under Article 72, Part 5 of the Constitution. That is option 3. 12th question. The unemployment which is associated with inadequacy of productive capacity to create enough jobs for all, those able and willing to work, refers to? Right answer is option 3, structural unemployment. 13th question. Who described the Indian Constitution as quasi-federal? Answer is option 2, K.C. Weir. K.C. Weir. Next, 14th question. India's rank in Climate Risk Index 2020 is option 4, 5th rank. Okay. So in 2019, we were in 14th rank. Again, we got to 5th rank. So the higher there is lesser the rank, that is if you're in 5th rank, it's worse than being in 14th rank. Okay. It is released by German Watch, an institute called as German Watch. Migration transition theory put forth by Zelensky is based upon the right answer is option A, demographic transition model. 16th question. In the context of Hindu iconography, the term Chatur Vimsati Murti refers to. Answer is 4th option, forms of Vishnu identified on the basis of attributes in his 4 hands. Next question, 17. Recently, the first women pilot of the Indian Navy joined the naval operations in Kochi to fly the Indian Navy fixed-wing Dornier surveillance aircraft is option 3, Lieutenant Purvika Nayak from... The correct answer is option A, Sub-Lieutenant Shivangi Swaroop from Bihar. 17th one, correct option is 1. Okay. 18th question, GNP measures, that is gross national product, is a measure of total domestic and foreign output claimed by residents of a country. That is option 1. 19th question, who appoints the Attorney General of India? Very easy question, polity. Answer is option 3, the President. 20th, the Immigration Bill 2019 proposed by Ministry of External Affairs in Parliament will replace which of the following existing act? Answer is option 3, Immigration Act of 1983. 21st question, which of the following is particularly famous for its rich deposits of many rare minerals? Option 1, South Africa is the right answer. We all know diamonds, gold, uranium, chromium, copper, etc. Many minerals are found in South African country. 22nd question, which of the following factors are common to the coins issued by Indo-Greek and Kushana rulers? So again, there is some confusion here with this question, but we can go with option 4, A, C and D. Actually, even bilingual coins were issued by Kushanas. That is, up to Kanishka, bilingual coins were issued. Only after Kanishka, he stopped the issuance of bilingual coins. But we do not have ABCD. It's either ABD or ACD. So that is one question which will be in a discrepancy. 23rd question, which of the following ministry has recently announced to set up the Central Consumer Protection Authority? Again, an easy question. Answer is 3, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Okay. Next question, which of the following is not a non-tax revenue? It is option 1, interest tax. So it is interest tax, that is a non-tax revenue. Next, 25th question, liberal political parties aim at option A, reforming the existing institutions. A crop grown in Zayed season, very easy again, watermelon. 26th question, option 1. Samudragupta is known for his political conquest from his Allahabad pillar inscription. In this context, which is the correct statement they have asked, 27th one. So 27th, option 1 is the right answer. A and C only. A and C only. 28. Recently inaugurated Difo Bridge connects between which of the following two valleys? It is Dibang Valley and Lohit Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. Option 1. 28. Option 1. 29. Which among the following ports were associated with the Indo-Roman trade during the early centuries of Christian era? So it is option 3, A, B and C only. So Bharuch or Broch is in Gujarat, Arikemedu is in Tamil Nadu. We even have Kaveri Pattanam, Korkai, some of the other ports that were used for Roman trade. Okay, option 3. Greta Thunberg, a Swedish teen working on a movement against climate change, was in news in mid of 2019 because of which of the following reasons? Correct answer is option 1. She won the Right Livelihood Award. 31. Which of the following districts of Karnataka lie in northeastern transition zone? Correct answer is option 2, Bidar and Kalburgi. 32. Recently, the Union government announced the merger of Syndicate Bank with Canara Bank and Corporation Bank with Union Bank of India. In this background, which is the not correct option? So they asked which is not correct. If you have gone with the technique of extreme words, all, not, many, you could have easily got the answer in this case. So the answer is third option. All the 4 banks were established in Karnataka. No, Union Bank of India is actually established in Maharashtra. Okay, so 32, option 3 is the right answer. 33. Open market operation refers to? Correct answer is option 1, the act of RBI selling or buying government bonds from the commercial banks. 34. National Development Council was established in? Option 3, August 1952. August 1952. Consider the following pairs of committees and their mandate which were in news recently. So, UK Sinha Committee is actually dealing with the problems of MSMEs, micro, small and medium enterprises. So, the first one is wrong. B and C are right. Okay, so right option is 2, that is B and C only. 36. Which of the following district has the highest density of population in Karnataka as per 2011 census? It's option 1, Mysore. Option 1, Mysore. So, according to the 2011 census, the first place goes to Bangalore urban, second place goes to Belgaum, third place comes to Mysore. In this, we do not have Bangalore or Belgaum, so it is Mysore. The famous Agraharas of Karnataka are? Correct option is 1, that is Nagavi, Lakkundi, Salatogi and Hariharapura. Okay, Agraharas are nothing but centers of learning. Next question, 38. Total funds allocated to the health sector in Union Budget 2020-21. So it's a very factual based question, precise. Answer is option 1, 69,000 crores. 39. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Again, it's a not correctly matched question. Answer is 1, Buddhagag of Mahanadi River. 40 question. The type of capital market in which a security can be sold several times is? Option 2, secondary market. Which biosphere reserve in India becomes the 11th biosphere reserve from India to be included in the UNESCO designated World Network of Biosphere Reserves? It was continuously in use for 1 or 2 years. It is option 1, Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. 42. Consider the following statements. Anthracite is the hardest coal. Bituminous is the most popular coal used for metallurgy. Bituminous is known as soft coal. Coke is prepared from bituminous. So, all the 4 statements are correct. Option 4, A, B, C and D are correct. 43. Who opined that Indus Valley cities received gold from Kolar and Hatti gold mines? So, here S.R. Rao, A. Sundara, D.D. Kosambi, B.R. Gopal. The correct answer is 4th one, B.R. Gopal. This again needs some clarity. For now, we'll just keep it as B.R. Gopal. When we go for the detailed discussion, we can see more about it. Which of the following is described as the novel feature in Indian Constitution? Very frequently asked question. It is option 2, Directive Principles of State Policy. Consider the following statements based on a UN report published on May 7, 2019. Here they're talking about Sundarbans. All the statements given are right. So 45, 4th option, all of the above. 46th question, Liberalized Exchange Rate Management System LERMS was instituted in? The right answer is option 3, March 1992. Next, 47th question. For the purpose of discharging overall responsibility for superintendence of pollution prevention and rejuvenation of River Ganga basin, including Ganga and its tributaries. National Council for Rejuvenation, Protection and Management of River Ganga was established. So they have given you a big question, many statements, but it's easy. The right answer is option 3. 2016 National Ganga River Basin Authority, Union Minister of Jal Shakti. 48. Among the following, which scholar argued that Rashtrakutas were of Kannada origin? So here again there's some confusion because all of them kind of argued that Rashtrakutas were of Indian Kannada origin. For now we can keep it as K.V. Subramanya Iyer. Okay, K.V. Subramanya Iyer. 49th question, consider the following statements. Population structure is analyzed in terms of age and sex groupings. Cartographically, the population structure is represented by population pyramids. So it's human geography based question. Both are correct. Answer is option 3. Both A and B are correct. 50th question, which Nayaka of Chitradurga fought against Hyder Ali? Very easy. Madakari Nayaka the 5th. Next. 51st question, first couple in the Indian Armed Forces to achieve the rank of Lieutenant General is option 4, Madhuri Kanitkar and Rajiv Kanitkar. 52nd, protection of women from domestic violence is, again there was a lot of confusion for this, right? Many of the students asked whether it's a constitutional right, human right, but the right answer would be option 4, legal right. Okay. 53rd, which of the following railway zone and headquarters is not correctly matched? Again, not correctly matched. This time KPSC has gone with lot of not correctly or incorrect based questions. So the answer is 4, Southeast Central, Raipur. That is not correctly matched. 54th question, what is the theme of World Soil Day 2019? The answer is option 1, stop soil erosion, save our future. 55, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, became an autonomous body in 1992. Option 4, 1992. 56, in 2016, the West Bengal Assembly had proposed to give West Bengal 3 new names in 3 different languages. So the right answer is Bangla, 4th option. 56, 4th option. 57, which among the following is not correct about UPSC? They are again asking not correct question. So it is option 1, chairman and members of the commission hold office for a term of 5 years. No, it's actually 6 years. Okay, so option 1 is not correct. 58, the 124th Constitutional Amendment Bill pertains to, again it was in use for more than a year. Option 4 is reservation of economically weaker section in government jobs and education. Next question, 59. Which of the following has the maximum number of national parks? Option 1, Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh has highest forest cover density. They are asking number of national parks, so it is Andaman and Nicobar. 60th, under the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme, the financial help provided to small and marginal farmers is, again a easy question. 4th option, 6,000 rupees a year. 61, the main place for the war between Vijayanagara and Bahmanis is option 4, Raichur Doab region. 62nd question, the United Nations General Assembly declared the year 2020 as option 1, International Year of Plant Health. 63, which of the following South Indian rivers is not correctly matched with its tributary? Answer is option 2, Godavari Varna. Which of the following industrial regions of India has a large percentage of mineral-based industry in its industrial structure? 64th question, answer is, they have clearly asked mineral-based. So we all know Ranchi Chaibasa region, Ranchi, the Chota Nagpur plateau area consists of many minerals. So 64th question, it is 4th option. 65th question, consider the following statements regarding SAFAR system inaugurated recently. It is a very advanced air quality and weather forecast system. Yes, it was developed indigenously by IITM Pune. Yes, it will not measure sun's UV index. No. So the right answer is A and B only. That is 65, third option. 66. The trade between two countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are option 1 decreasing. Okay, the right answer is decreasing. 67. Name the recently launched program of ISRO under Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program for recognition of talented students. I know many of you marked Yuvika, but the right answer is Dhruv. 67, option 4, Dhruv. 68, which of the following statements are correct? Here they have talked about Christina Koch. Option A and B are only correct. That is, for 68, option 2 is the right answer. 69. Which of the following statements about British East India Company are true? So again, this is a bit of a confusion. So option A is right. Option D is for sure wrong. If option D is wrong, 1 and 2 go out of the picture. We will be left with 3 or 4. As I said, A is right. Between C and B, see, they started only docking their ships at Surat in 1608. The first factory, if you see, was actually Masulipattnam. After Masulipattnam only, in Surat, they opened in around 1611. Okay. Again, this word in B statement that they got indefinite period of eastern trade for only few years. Initially, they got it for indefinite period. Later on, it was abolished. For now, I feel you can keep the answer as 4. 69, you can keep it as 4th option. 70th, the Chinese spacecraft that became the first to land on the far side of the moon. Option 1, Chang'e 4. 71, who among the following is not the recipient of Bharat Ratna for the year 2019? Option 3, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 72, India's top crude oil supplier meeting more than 1/5 of the country's oil needs in 2018-19 fiscal year was option 2, Iraq. So it's first Iraq, then Saudi Arabia, then only Iran. Okay. 72, option 2. 73, who among the following belongs to Protestants? Option 1, British and Dutch. So we know Christianity consists of many sub-religions. Two major are Roman Catholics and Protestants. So in that, British and Dutch come under Protestants majorly. Okay. 73, option 1. 74, World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated annually on option 1, 28 July. 75, in an efficient foreign exchange rate market, an unexpected increase in domestic money supply growth can lead to. I know many of you would have broken your heads in the exam, but just go with your extreme word approach. Immediate is seen in all the 3 statements. So you can easily eliminate them and come as none of the above. 75, 4th option, none of the above. 76, the doctrine of fundamental rights cannot be amended under Article 368 was propounded by Supreme Court of India in the very famous Golaknathan State of Punjab case. 3rd option is the right one. 77, as part of Make in India program, light combat helicopter production started in which of the following states places? Option 4, Bengaluru, that is in HAL. 78, dash represents the features of both emergence and submergence. Option 1, compound coast. By the Treaty of Allahabad 1765, the East India Company obtained option 1, Diwani rights of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. 79, option 1. 80, the United Kingdom has left the European Union on dash and has entered the 11-month transition period. Option 4, 31st January 2020. 80, option 4. 81, which of the following article provides for constitution of GST Council by President of India? An easy question. Article 279A, that is option 3. Interzonal soils are, so correct answer is 1, A only, that is bog soil. 83. Who among the following women economists was appointed as the Chief Financial Officer and Managing Director of World Bank Group in July 2019? Option 1. Anshula Kant. Growth of coffee was encouraged during the time of? Option 1. Boring. 85. India along with which country jointly launched International Solar Alliance during United Nations Climate Change Conference? Again a easy question frequently in news, that is option 2, France. Which of the following cities was named by UNESCO as World Capital of Architecture for 2020? Option 2, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. So 86 is option 2. 87. Polity question. The total number of ministers, including prime ministers and council of ministers, shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the House. So the correct answer is option 1. It was inserted by the Article 75 through Clause 1A by the 91st Constitutional Amendment Act of 2003. 87, option 1. The Indian Massive Open Online Course Initiative is known as? Option 4, Swayam. 88, option 4. 89. The violation of rights and immunities of the members of Parliament or disrespect to them is punishable under the Act of Parliament. In this case, what motion is moved under which rule? Answer is option 2, privilege motion. Okay. 89, privilege motion, option 2. 90. Chola bronzes are known for their fine craftsmanship. These metal sculptures have been made of an alloy of how many metals? Answer is option 2, 5 alloys. 91. It looks like a big question, but it's very easy if once you go through. With just elimination technique, you could have come to the answer. So, One Belt, One Road initiative. Obviously, in the first option, he is given in the end Asia, Africa, Antarctica. We know Antarctica is not coming, so that can be removed. In option 2, he is giving China, Pakistan, India, and other Asian countries, which we know is not true. It even connects Europe. In option 3, it's Asia, Africa, and Europe. Yes, third option is right. In option 4, he's telling Asia, Africa, Australia, Indian Ocean, and Arabian Sea. But he is messed up the initial part. Belt refers to Arabian Belt, road refers to land road. This is wrong. So option 3 is the right answer. 91, option 3. 92. Which frozen river is basically a charter trek that attracts adventure tourists every year to Ladakh? So it is option 3, Zanskar River. So you might have got confused with Galwan because it was in news recently as Chinese troops had insurged into it. But the right answer is 3, Zanskar River. White Helmets is option 1, a volunteer organization of the Syrian Civil Defense formed to rescue the wounded in Syrian airstrike. 94. According to Article 236A of the Indian Constitution, expression district judge includes all of the above given statements, that is A, B, C, and D. 94. Answer is option 4. 95. Which beach in India became the first beach in Asia to get blue flag certification? I think around 11 to 12 beaches as of now have blue flag certification in India. The first was Chandrabhaga Beach of Odisha. Okay, Chandrabhaga Beach of Odisha. 95, option 1. 96. The index with different features of deprivation in the quality of life to arrive at a aggregate judgment on the extent of poverty in a community is called option 2, Human Poverty Index. So the 97th question is books and authors. The right answer is option 1, 2, 4, 1 and 3. 97, option 1. 98. Which day is celebrated as Akhila Karnataka Satyagraha Day during Freedom Movement? Option 2, 12th January. 99. The payment method often used in international trade which offers the exporter the best assurance of being paid for products sold internationally is option 4, letter of credit. Again in news during the bank scams in the early 2019 part of the year. Okay, MOUs, LOUs were in news. 100th question, last one. In recent years, crude oil production has been planned in the offshore regions of Krishna and Godavari Delta of Andhra Pradesh. The rock bed of this region is called as option 3, Rava structure. Okay, 100. Option 3 is the right answer. So that completes the discussion. The detailed discussion will be put up subject wise eventually on the channel. If there's any doubt or if any answer you find it wrong and you have correct source to authenticate the information, please put up in the comment section. We will rectify it. Okay. The discussion for paper 2 will be put up soon. Thank you.